Welcome to QiYoga's LuChin. Looking for natural ways to tighten your jaws and lift your jawline? Try this simple technique. This is how it works. Use your index finger and your thumb coming from behind your ears and hold at the base of the ears.
We'll try to grab onto the muscles underneath.
Then fold the top of the ear and the earlobe towards each other. Hold briefly. And then release. Continue this fold and release motion. Do this for about a minute.
And then switch to your other ear.
You can do both ears at the same time, but if your shoulders feel a lot of tension, work on one side at a time. You will notice an immediate lift in your jawline and a tightening effect on your facial skin. With constant practice, try this 3 times daily for a month to see noticeable results. Notice how your ears become nice and warm. And there's even this gentle, warm sensation spread into your brain. This soothing sensation is a sign that the technique is working. Not only will it help tighten jaws, but it also clears and refreshes the brain by subtly stimulating the small branch of the vagus nerve connected to the ears. Friends, let me know how this works for you in the comments. Share the technique with family and friends. Sharing is caring. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.